standard certification na nakuha which qualifies this Lenovo laptop para magkaroon siya ng certain level of heat resistance, water resistance, at saka dust resistance para mas panatag kayo as a user, especially in the long run. Hindi lang perfect for gaming pero for daily use din, especially kung nagko-commute kayo. Moving on naman sa display ng laptop na to, masasabi kong Lenovo offers one of the best screens or best displays pagdating sa mga gaming laptop, especially dun sa mga under 50,000 pesos. Meron siyang Full HD 1080p display, one of the fastest refresh rates at this price point at 165Hz, and also mataas na color accuracy with almost 100% sRGB, something na hindi mo commonly nakikita for gaming laptops at this price point, making it a good laptop if sakaling plano mo siyang gamitin for graphical work. Sadly, at 300 nits peak brightness, masasabi kong hindi ito ang may pinakamaliwanag na screen. Although, again nga, for laptops at this price point, medyo normal naman yung ganitong value.